Okay, so anytime you see word problems like this with fractions, you know right away when it's talking about different pieces that it's a division problem. You just know that right away. So keep that in mind when you're doing the release test questions and the test at the end of the year for the state. So don't forget, this is always whole divided by part. Remember, whole is the whole thing. It's without pieces, and part always represents a person or one piece of it. Okay, a piece. Okay, so in this case, we have two numbers. We have the problem that says Jared baked 2 apple pies, so I know I'm gonna highlight 2 apple pies. He cuts the 2 pies into pieces. All right, we already know there's pieces, so they're parts. So each piece is a part of a pie, right? So we already know the whole and the part. We can easily know that this is the whole and this is a part because he cut it into pieces, right? So it says enter the number of pieces of pie Jared cuts. So we're going to set it up. Our whole is 2 divided by our part, which is 1/8. And 9 times out of 10, it's always going to be the bigger number divided by the smaller. So I'm going to put a 1 underneath to make it a fraction. So we keep the first fraction the same. We take the inverse of multiplication and we do the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now you can multiply straight across. So we get 16 over 1. Or if we divide 1 into 16, it's just 16 pieces that he cuts.